as you can see, we are once again in my kitchen. I do want to let you know right now, you're going to hear Nala in the back. She ain't coming up here. You know what we're doing today. And this has to get washed first. We're not starting off like this. We just not. We're just not. Before y'all ridicule me any further, let's get straight into the video. This is how she's looking. Now, since this is not my hair routine, I didn't do a deep condition. I just let the conditioner sit for about 15-20 minutes. Usually I have to sit under a hot dryer, but I didn't do that. I just let it sit. Dry curl lay, you know. Okay, so yes, we are back. I don't really know what I want to do to my hair today, but I know it has to get done because I definitely have to be at work at like 4 o'clock and it's going on 12. So they got to get this done in like an hour. Now that we finally got to the part that you were all waiting for, let's get straight into it. Now, I do want to put like a little disclaimer that I probably won't be looking at y'all that much. I'll probably be looking right at my mirror, that the mirror y'all were just looking in, because I gotta see. Now that my hair is blow dried, I decided to give myself like a brain break, arm break, and all of that. So now that it's blow dried, I can use a regular comb like this and actually comb through my hair. I can use the big tooth comb, like it's no problem, but it's just not gonna work, and I can't part with it, so what's the point? What's the point? I'm really thinking about giving myself a little pony with like maybe a little bang. Now I used to be one of those people, like I never like putting gel in my hair, but now I realize to survive in this 4C world, I mean, what else can you really do? Oh snap, y'all can see almost perfectly, huh? Sheesh, I'm already tired. I'm gonna put this aside. I want to give myself 2 of them though. Put one right here, one right here. Okay, that's how she's looking in the back. Literally lost a ponytail holder in like 2.5 seconds. So it's definitely not just me. I guess if I was a ponytail holder, I wouldn't want to be stretched all day. I'm nervous already. I've never been good at side swoops, like ever. Ever. I really need this hairstyle to work. We'll make do, we'll make do.
That is not correct.
It's not bad. Yo, this is not a tutorial. I don't know what I'm doing. Y'all, I'm not gonna hold you. I love it. I don't know where this earring is at. I had 2 holes, y'all. We just gonna act like it's there. Y'all gotta see it from my angle because for y'all it's not giving, and I can tell. I can tell. This is her. That's her. mirror, but then again, mirrors always lie. But come on back, camera. Come on back, camera. What y'all think? I need y'all to rate this in the comments. I mean, it's not done. It's not done. So hold on yet. Hold on. It's because it's not done. Yeah, so I thought y'all could see what I was doing, but I now realized while editing that you cannot. So I'm gonna just walk you through it because I'm not taking it out. I don't know why, but anyways, I was just fixing my edges up. I changed my second hole earring to like a tad bit bigger because I had to find one earring to go in my left ear, so I did that. I fixed my little swoop. You see a little bit the edges by the ear? Yeah, and then I pinned up my bun so they could look a little neater. Do y'all see me?